Alay sa kanya.
He said I thought that's AJ.
Oh, AJ. Yeah, nice for you to join us. Oh, shake hands. Oh, okay, AJ is here early. Respect. Early. Oh, tuloy ko na yung intro ko. So we have AJ today, Carlisle, Castel. We're waiting for 299X. Hindi ko natuloy yung intro ko kanina. Bigla kami sa forum ni AJ. Pogi. Yeah. Kala ni Carlisle, nakakita siya ng artista eh. Sabi niya, so is it AJ or is it the movie star? Oh, okay. So anyway, we're going to swim, we're going to have picnic, we're going to Sharp Island. So yeah, AJ represent yung Ling family. Nabudol ako ni Lalay sa kanyang watermelon ball daw. Okay, Lalay, find the flag. Where are we going? The rainbow cat?
Yeah.
Pasalihin nyo naman tong bunso ko. Bunso ko naman, yung bunso ko naman. Oh, kas kuya, yung bunso yung waiting.
Go do the handshake.
Aba, I think that one's cooler. Bro, handshake. Oh, they know?
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh,
Gang.
gang. So chill. Huh?
Take a photo of us.
Okay.
You kiss me in the morning, pull up the shades. I don't care that it's early or that it's Monday. Oh, babe, you make it.
Okay, so alas 12:30. Tom Jones na raw, kakain na raw si Castel. Sabihin ko man si Jassel. Jassel, kain muna. Okay, for sa bihirang pagkakataon kasi may bisita kami kaya naghanda kami. Para kay AJ kasi baka magutom na naman 'to eh. Baka maghanap na naman 'to ng chicken wings. Okay, enjoy AJ. Just
She's gonna enjoy the chicken adobo. Remember last time?
yeah.
Recap. Show the video.
Kamay-kamay lang. Ang kutsara namin nabali. Sabi ni AJ, kung meron pa ako chicken wings, bili ko siya ng isang peraso lang. Chicken nuggets agad yung dinali. Thank you AJ for joining us, okay? Yeah, it's good. Okay, enjoy. So the weather is quite nice. Sunny, cloudy a little bit. Sea is blue. May ang problema, okay lahat. May niknik na konti. May konting niknik. So kailangan mag-spray once in a while. Buti na lang dala kami ng spray. AJ, be my guest. Can sit down. Come on, can sit down.
You can sit down here.
Yeah. Hong Kong represent of Lalay. Ay, sarap naman yun. And we have this creation ate. Say thank you to Ate Jocelyn. Because of her, you will not starve.
Homemade.
If it's her, you will starve.
Yes,
Tawid pa yung kayak ngayon. Dito, mamaya hindi na makatawid yan. Pag bumaba na yung tubig. Naku. Sa handa, hindi ka mag-ano sa amin ngayon. Hindi ka mabibigo.
But don't finish it all.
Hindi ka mabibigo sa handa namin ngayon.
Hindi yan, dalawang chicken wings na.
Sa handa kami.
Ano yan? Chicken
Mag-aalauna na, di pa ako nag-almusal. Kakain na kami. Ang bulilit eh. Oo. Ano? You end up in the pier. So, naglalaro yung dodgeball yung tatlo. Tumatawid na yung mga tao, bumaba na yung tubig. So, kanina wala pa yan. Oh! Trick!
We used 200 IQ. 1-0.
You make me feel like a drive in the country. I walk on a warm beach. You make me happy. You make me feel like a hand on my shoulder. A big field of clover. Bright sunny weather. Oh, you make it better, babe. Oh, you make it better, babe.
I used 200 IQ. Use the hat. I lost it so bad.
Si Carla pinapakuha niya, siya nga hindi marunong tumakbo eh. Frozen pineapple. Like this.
Pineapple too.
Oh.
Ay, hindi ka na kain ng fruits?
She doesn't eat vegetables. She doesn't eat fruit.
So show the face. This is yummy.
Ayun, okay.
Oh, sit down, AJ.
Don't make sense. Chips.
Try some.
Vulcan chips.
Please.
Ang palaki ng muscle. What? Ang palaki ng muscle yun.
Wait.
Kaka-abs ka dyan.
Good.
Like turning a child. A little bit first. What you got to say to that? Is it nice? Do you like the texture? Eating pineapple unlock.
You can have one now.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, upo ka muna, JJ. Okay, time check. Alas 2:15. So, merienda time muna tayo. Ang merienda natin, bihirang-bihira kami magdala ng prutas sapagkat mabigat dalhin yan. Pero naisip namin parang sarap kumain ng lychee saka pineapple pag itong mainit yung panahon. Worth it naman kasi enjoy naman yung mga bata. See? Oh, look at Caroline.
I'm eating pineapple.
And we're also happy. AJ is eating pineapple. It's our honor.
First time eating pineapple.
Nice. Okay, so the weather is quite nice. Hot. The water temperature, medyo malamig pero hindi maginaw. Kasi palibasa mainit yung araw, malamig yung tubig, ang sarap presko. Nakakatakot, ang lakas makaitim nito. Kasi hindi mo ramdam yung init ng araw kasi nga presko yung tubig. Then mangingitim ka na lang. Yung kanina pinakita kong Sharp Island, buo na. Hanggang dulo na pwede mo na lakarin. Mamaya pagka die down ng init, tatawin namin kasi ngayon medyo mainit pa eh. So chill lang kami. So yun na. Mamaya na lang ulit.
Mainit ha?
Bukol. Ang ganda ng Jason.
Brick.
Ganda nga po ng yung silhouette ng mga buntot.
Kaya,
Oh! Airball.
tapos gaganyan lang kayo, kakain lang kayo ng lychee habang
Remember we also played football last time? But with the water
I
bottle?
hear chill guy.
No, remember? With the water bottle.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, we need to post this one or else we get demonetized.
I also played. The damage was really big though.
Remember that?
Remember the part where you try to kickflip a bottle to a trash can?
Wait, to there!
So kayo mamaya.
3, 2, 1, go!
Use this machine! Whoosh! 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 You will not win with that technique.
Breathing technique.
Might as well run like that.
Okay, yung dalawa naglalaro pa. Si AJ sa si Castel. Ito yung salbabida namin, tinabi muna. Si Carlisle, time out muna. Kasi ay nosebleed. Wait first, not yet. Sit down. Not that fast. Pahinga muna. Dumugo na naman yung ilong. So, rest a little bit first. Nosebleed, time out. You just need to wait a few minutes. Okay, we have some trial. Carlisle will say go.
Sammy, go. Sammy, go.
I'm slipping now.
Oh! Point, kuya.
One.
Like this. One.
Next time when I come to my house,
Okay, best of 3.
next time we come to my house, let's do a video of basketball.
Oh, buta. Ba, dun, dun, dun.
Hi.
2.
Win. Okay, but the next one.
Next
You say the next challenge. What do you want to do? Like catching?
Catching.
No, you cannot have that thing.
Speed.
Speed?
Speed, no speed.
Oh, no speed. Chicken speed.
Volleyball.
Let's do volleyball.
Volleyball.
Volleyball, me too. I'm joining.
Oh, sorry. I
got bait.
should not be in the way.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Carlisle, who team we are? AJ, okay. Uy! Oh, got hit in the face, y'all. Oh yeah. Kick tennis. Should be only one bounce.
Yeah, one bounce only. Wrong place, Carlisle.
This is the line, this is the line.
Yeah, a while ago, the one that you do the lines quite okay.
Okay.
Volleyball?
One bounce.
One bounce football. Football net. You have to do it?
No, kick a little bit. Show AJ. Should but one bounce, yeah? Yeah? Okay. Oh!
Oh, no.
Okay, now they're making lines. They're going to play football. See? They're drawing like lines. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the Sharp Island. We have in the annual Summerfest football. Use the stick. The stick is deeper. You can see the line. Okay? And so today, contender is AJ from Ling family. And we have Castiel from Cheng family.
AJ versus us.
Oh, AJ versus the two Chengs. What can you say before the fight? Do you think you can win? He's big. Oh, aba. Show your face. Show your face. Begin. Aba. Pangit. Okay. Oh, nag-draw na si AJ ng circle of trust.
How do you do it? How do you do it?
Yeah, just by his greatness. Aba. AJ showing what he learned in geometry. Oh!
To make the two lines.
Oh, hubad pa! Oh! Pinakita yung abs!
These are the goals.
Where's the stick?
Okay, kung nakita nyo ngayon, grabing init. Kasi mainit talaga. As in super init. So, good luck sa mga yan. Binali! Nakita nyo yun? Uy, binali ulit!
Out of bounds. Hello, shoot.
Shoot. Go.
Out of bounds. Go. Are you gonna my ball take a hit off you?
I don't think you're winning at all.
We are. Oh, wait, no, we are.
Oh!
Oh, no.
Oh! Kahit anong saya, eventually kailangan mo rin talagang umuwi. Naks, ganun, de joke lang. Anyway, alas 6 na. Ang bilis ng oras. I mean, kala ko maboboard kami o whatsoever. Bitin ng oras. Next time po kailangan pumunta ng medyo mas maaga. Medyo rush kami ngayon. Hinabol namin to 6 na ferry. Ang last ferry 6:30. Pero medyo alangan yun na nun. Pinasok lang namin mga gamit-gamit namin. Mamaya nang mag-ano. So, I was happy with that one, kuya. Okay, ito si ate. Hindi nga lang pag-unpack. Mamaya na, si AJ. Sunset, oh. Sunset siya. Okay, repack. Hindi kami nakapag-pack ng maayos. What can you say about the trip? This is the closing now. Oh. What can you say?
Very nice. 10 out
That's
of
it?
10.
What can you say about the trip? Oh, wow.
What I can say about this trip
Pogi ba talaga, AJ?
is chaotic,
Aha.
fun,
Aha.
and interesting.
Rush Chief? ABC. No.
It was fun.
Not enough time, right?
We didn't go to the sand party.
Oh, that means we can go back here next time. Because it's so hot. And also, you play basketball in Vegas. Talaga naman. Sunset na, oh.
Play football.
Playing football.
And we won.
Okay, yun na yung ending natin. Slowly fade away.
That,
We're back in Saikong. So that's it. So yun na yung Sharp Island day namin. Okay. It's a big rocks, right?
that's so cute.
Yeah. AJ. Okay, Kuya and AJ. Oh, we just sit down here. The bus is 6:35. So basically now we just wait for the bus 299X bringing us back to Shatin. So while waiting, I asked them to maybe they sit down first. Do you like to sit down or doon na tayo maghintay nakatayo? Pila na tayo. Pila na? 20 minutes yun. Okay lang? Ha? Okay.
Yay!
May huling hirit pa para sa ating ice cream. Budol is real.
So sour? You don't like? Try it.
Try it, just try it. Try it.
Try it. See? Try it.
Right?
So see. Spicy. I will pay for this, so it's okay.
That would be so
You what?
Try it.
I guess someone made the wrong choices in life.
You can make your own drink.
I have that one. I thought it's expensive though.
Mga ice cream gang. May huling ano pa? Huling hirit sa tag-init pa itong mga to. Regret? Life regret?
Shove up.
This is my son eh. Oh,
Enjoying ice cream.
oh. Like a vlogger. Opa, ina-ice cream buhok. Opa, what do you call that sunglasses? Wah, kasi I saw the lightning. Suddenly may thunderstorm. Gumuguhit yung ano, gumuguhit yung kidlat. Amin yan yung mga delikado pag nasa beach ka.
Buti nga, ngayon na.
Gumuguhit. Ang talim ano? Ang nipis. Lakas yan. Sakto ang ano natin. Naghihintay ng kidlat sa parting kanan. Mga storm chaser eh. Kita mo yung ulap, bumababa talaga eh. Kita mo.
Ang bilis pa. It's okay. It's okay.
Protect him, hug him, give him comfort.
Para may salt. Laki ng pala.
Buhos yan. Kita mo dito, kita mo yung formation nito sa may kaliwa. Ano ba sa mga pelikula? Pag
Kuya na ano. Ayan, nagsasalubong na sila. Ang bigat na.